Hi, and welcome to another episode of Mr. Puzzle, and today we will talk about twisty puzzles. Because I know a lot of you guys love twisty puzzles, and also I received last week a big box full of twisty puzzles by Mofangge, and I will use them now for this independent review, so I'm not paid any money to do this. And the main item of this box is this puzzle here, which is called the Ancient Coin Cube. It's a twisty puzzle that's brand new, and this will hit the market I think today when this video is released, so look out for this. If I can already find it, I will also put you the link in the description. In addition, I received here new designs of fidget spinners in a new color design, and also a new kind of plastic, more details later. And also I received here this Master Pyraminx, which is a Pyraminx with one layer added, so it should be more difficult. I never tried the standard Pyraminx, so I cannot tell you how difficult this is. Also more details later. And I received also one sample here of the Clover Cube Plus, which is kind of similar as the regular Clover Cube, but has some additional features that you can move it here, like a 2x2 cube. So all of them are very interesting puzzles, and let's just have a closer look and start the review. As mentioned, the first and most important item of this box, because it's brand new, is the Ancient Coin Cube. It comes in the usual Mofangge boxing, and as I saw it the first time, it reminds me a bit of the Clover Cube and of the Pentacle Cube. Why? I just have these two here, and you can already see why, I think. The Clover Cube has the same shape here of these pieces as you can see here, and you can also do these twisting movements. Same here. Here you have been twisting the edges. Here you are able to twist the corner pieces. But in addition, same as the Pentacle Cube, it contains this disc here, and this is why it's called Ancient Coin, because this disc here on the inside looks like these old ancient coins with this squared hole in the middle. And you can twist these, on the Pentacle Cube here, you could twist these to align the pieces and then turn them here layer by layer. On this one, you can twist it, when you scramble it up, you already will notice what this is for. Okay, you can twist them and need to replace these pieces here and sort the color as usual for twisty puzzles, okay? So this one is very interesting because actually the Clover Cube is my most, or I like this one the most of all twisty puzzles. Probably it was the first one I was able to solve. This one I also solved by myself. This is more difficult, and I'm now interested to understand how difficult this one here is. I will try it, of course, and if I solved it, you will for sure see it on my Facebook channel. And yeah, let's see. Maybe it's not. Maybe I will also do some kind of a solving video or something of this one. Okay. So this is the Ancient Coin Cube, brand new. Just check it out if you find it already somewhere where you can get it. So then, in addition, I received fidget spinners. You know, I showed these fidget spinners here already in the past. They are a combination of twisty puzzles and fidget spinners, and now I received these two here in addition, in blue and transparent. And it's pretty cool because you can now look inside. Let me just zoom in a bit that you can see it. You can look now inside, and you can see here some details about this puzzle. For example, you can see the screws, of course, but also you can see that there are some steel balls here in the corners of this puzzle. So very interesting. This to increase the mass and to enable this puzzle to spin longer, So this is pretty cool. And you could also here, I was wondering also in the past, if you hold the puzzle like this and slightly spin it, you could hear this sound. I'm not sure if you can hear it. Some small clack 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 noise. And now I know where it's coming from. It's coming from the steel balls that are here in the corner pieces and probably slightly moving. So as already stated here in the review of these ones, it's spinning very well. I think about 3 to 4 minutes. And also it's a nice gadget, especially for kids, I think here, that there is also this kind of twisty puzzle included. So pretty cool. I think it's a pretty cool upgrade to the standard ones. I like this one more than the standard ones, to be honest, because of that you can see what's going on inside here. And you know what? Just spontaneously, I got 2 of these, so I will just give away one of them. Just post here below this video or below the post on Facebook, and watch out if I'm trying to contact you. So I will give away one of those. And in addition, the box of this one, I had no box, now I have one due to the new ones. So you get the box, of course, as well. And you get in addition most important here, the Mr.Puzzle, the original certificate signed by myself. Okay, so this you get as a giveaway. Just comment below and in Facebook, and I will pick a random winner. Okay, so next we have here the Master Pyraminx. It looks pretty complicated, to be honest. I had a previous video here and I was asking what are simple puzzles, simple twisty puzzles I could learn or try to solve in the beginning, and a lot of you guys told me the Pyraminx is an easy one. So if I see this one, I'm not sure about this. This is also looking like a Pyraminx, but with one layer added. So it's more difficult, and if you twist it, you will notice here it snaps in pretty cool or pretty well on the aligned position here. As you can see here, it snaps in pretty well. You always stop at the right point. Has a pretty cool feeling, and you can also see here this one is already equipped with some silicone oil or some silicone loop or something. So you can already see this loop here everywhere. So it's prepared for, also mentioned on the box, which is this one, it's prepared for speed solving, I think. Yeah, nothing I could do or show you how to do it, but I'm starting to like these puzzles more and more because they give me a nice challenge, to be honest. And I solved some of them already, and yeah, it starts to make fun. Which one I didn't solve so far is the 3x3 standard Rubik's Cube. I make it until the very end, but there are 2 pieces missing all the time and I'm not able to solve them. Whatever, this is the last puzzle I will show you today. Clover Cube Plus is nearly similar as the standard Clover Cube. As you can see, it's the same size, also about the same weight, but this one has the standard features where you can spin the edges. You can also do this on this one, of course. Here it's a little bit more tricky because here, in addition to spin the edges, this one you can also spin like a regular 2x2 cube. And I would expect that this one would be more difficult as this one. Haven't tried so far, but I will do it for sure. And you can also have, of course, these shape-shifting movements, like you can also do with the regular Clover Cube, that you can, for example, let me just show you, that you can do moves like this, where you then change the shape of the cube. What's a little bit tricky here on this one is this one spins very, very smooth and aligns very well. This one, due to the additional movements, is a little bit more difficult, and you need to take a little bit more care if you twist it, otherwise it will explode. I mean literally really explode. For example, if you do not align this properly and if I would now try to twist here and force the puzzle to twist, it will explode in its single parts. It happened to me 2 times, so I need to handle this one with care. It's definitely nothing for speed cubing, I think. Otherwise it will end up in a big mess. But it's still a very interesting puzzle, and I'm looking forward here to get challenged by this cube and try to solve it. For sure, it will accompany me on my next business trip. Okay, so these have been all the stuff I received and I would like to show you in this episode. These puzzles here, okay, so Ancient Coin Cube, Clover Cube Plus, Master Pyraminx and 2 Fidget Spinners in a new design. And I hope you liked this review. It was a quick one, it was no solution. Nevertheless, I know a lot of you guys are familiar with twisty puzzles and would like to see more twisty puzzles. And I'm also get more and more into twisty puzzles. But the next episode, of course, will be again about a mechanical puzzle. So if you like this episode, just hit the like button. Comment below if you have any proposals for future twisty puzzles I should test. And you can also hit the bell, of course, if you would like to get updated about future episodes by YouTube. And if you're interested in puzzling, you can also like and check out my Instagram and Facebook channel. So until next time, keep on puzzling!